Sofa beds have come a long way, but shopping for one still feels like a gamble. Some look great but are uncomfortable to sleep on, others are cozy but end up taking up your entire living room, plus the prices vary so much and it's hard to know if you're getting a good deal. So to save you some time, I did the research for you, dug through reviews and narrowed it down to the 15 best sofa beds. And if you find something you like, I'll leave links to all the sofa beds in the description below. First up is the Eber Designs modular sofa bed, which I ranked as the best boneless. And in sofa mode, it's wide and deep, and when fully opened, it's almost like a queen-size mattress on the floor. The corduroy fabric gives it a soft feeling, and the foam inside is firm enough to sleep on without sinking too much. And most people love how easy it is to set up. There's no assembly at all, which is a huge plus. Just be aware that it's not a traditional couch. Sitting upright for long periods isn't great unless you add some extra pillows. But if you're looking for a sofa bed that's cozy and flexible, then the Eber Designs modular sofa bed is an excellent choice. Up next is the Zania 6-in-1 convertible sofa bed, which I ranked as the best Loveseat. And this one's made for anyone dealing with limited space. It's 58.27 inches wide, so it's not going to eat up your whole room. The best part is the 6-in-1 thing. You can use it as a love seat, lounge on it, then pull it out into a full sleeper. And it also has storage pockets on the sides, and it includes 2 pillows, so it's already set up. However, assembly can be annoying since the instructions are mostly pictures. The cushions are also pretty firm, so if you plan to sleep on it, then a topper helps a lot. But if you want a compact love seat that you can switch into a bed fast, then you can't go wrong with the Zania 6-in-1 convertible sofa bed. Next, we've got the Latitude Run Vesna L-shaped sofa, which I ranked as the best storage space. And I'd say this is the kind of couch that solves small space problems in one shot. It's an L-shaped pull-out sleeper with a double bed, but the bigger story here is the storage. The chassis lifts up to reveal a large compartment for blankets and pillows, and the armrests flip open for extra hidden space. On top of that, you're also getting side pockets, cup holders, and built-in USB ports, so it keeps clutter under control and keeps devices charging. So if you're after a sofa that helps you stay organized, then the Latitude Run Vesna L-shaped sofa is a lifesaver. Next is the Mercury Row Teen Gauge, which I ranked as the best futon. And its design is very mid-century. Clean lines, tufted back, tapered legs, and faux leather that keeps it easy to match. Now, I'd call it a full-length couch size, but still friendly for apartments or small rooms. And it also reclines in a bunch of positions. And when it's flat, it works just like a twin bed. So if you want a futon that's stylish and budget-friendly, then the Mercury Row Teen Gauge is a great pick. Up next is the Eber Designs convertible recliner sleeper, which I ranked as the most versatile. And I say that because it's not just a sofa or a bed, it's kind of everything. There's 2 reclining seat sections plus a separate ottoman, which gives you way more flexibility. You can use it as a love seat, line everything up into a sleeper, or move the ottoman around as a footrest, coffee table, or storage box. I also like how adjustable it is. Each seat reclines on its own, so you can sit upright, lean back, or just lay it flat. The adjustable headrest helps too if neck support matters. Just remember though that the seat height sits a bit low. But if you want a setup that replaces multiple pieces of furniture, then the Eber Designs convertible reclining sleeper is a great pick. Next is the Latitude Run Lozena, which I ranked as the best folding design. And what makes it special is the velvet upholstery. It looks cozy, feels smooth, and adds a more modern lounge-style vibe. And as a sofa, it's great for relaxed seating, and when you fold it down, it turns into a twin-size sleep space without any bulky pull-out frame. Plus, it's more lightweight, easy to move around, and there's no assembly to worry about. Now, the biggest complaint I've seen here is that the gap when it's flat can be noticeable, so you may need to fill it with a blanket or padding. But if you want something foldable and modern, then the Latitude Run Lozena is the way to go. Next up is the Right Path Rolled Arms, which I ranked as the best unique design. And this one doesn't look like a typical sleeper. The rolled arms and clean gray fabric make it feel more like a real couch, not just a backup bed. Now it's a 2-in-1 setup, sofa by day, then you pull it out into a single bed by night. Storage is also a big win here. It's a built-in spot for blankets, pillows, or whatever you don't want sitting out. and it uses memory foam padding cushioning, and the fabric cover is removable and washable if you ever accidentally spill something on it. So if you want a sleeper that looks different and keeps your space tidy, then the Right Path rolled arms is definitely a strong pick. Next up is the Casa Italia Furniture Mirabelle, which I ranked as the most premium, and it's for anyone who cares about two things: easy maintenance and a stylish look. You're getting Italian-made construction plus the Duratex performance fabric that you can wipe down when something spills. On top of that, it opens without you needing to remove cushions, and underneath you've got a queen mattress with a washable cover. However, it is very heavy, so it's not something you'd want to move around a lot. But if you want a premium sleeper that's easy to keep clean, then the Casa Italia Furniture Mirabelle is one to choose. Next up is the Latitude Run Chalia, which I ranked as the best for one person. And this one's compact, low to the ground, and it easily flips between a chair, a lounger, and a single sleeper. Plus the armless design keeps it feeling more open. You've got foam cushions, a metal frame, and even 8-way hand-tied springs, which usually means better support over time. And the back has 5 positions. So whether you're sitting upright, leaning back, or laying it flat, it's going to adjust to what you're doing. So if you're after an affordable single sleeper, then the Latitude Run Chalia is perfect. Next up is the Dreamsmith Convertible Futon, which I ranked as the most budget-friendly. And it's the kind of futon you pick if you want something stylish looking but still affordable. For the price, the corduroy upholstery is a huge plus. It looks soft, it adds some texture, and it feels more homey than just basic fabric. It also adjusts in a practical way. The back has a few angles, the armrests change positions, and it can go flat for sleeping. Now, most people seem happy with how sturdy it feels, but a few say the cushions aren't as plush as they'd expect, and you can kind of feel the base underneath. But if you want a low-cost futon with a nice-looking fabric, then the Dreamsmith Convertible Futon fits the bill perfectly. Up next is the Ivy Bronx Nithasa, which I ranked as the best for small spaces. And it starts off as a compact chair, then it folds out into a single bed in seconds. And the feel comes from the corduroy upholstery. It's a soft, ribbed fabric designed to be scratch-resistant and pet-friendly, so it's a good option if you have a cat or a dog around. It also comes with 2 pillows. One works for your neck, and one supports your lower back. And there's also an anti-slip base, side pockets, and a removable cover. So if you're looking for something compact for a studio, then the Ivy Bronx Nithasa is a good choice. Next up is the Ebern Designs Convertible Folding Sofa Bed, which I ranked as the most simple design, and I'd say it's the cleanest version of a folding sofa bed. The design is built around straight horizontal lines with no arms or unnecessary details, and this can fit 2 to 3 people comfortably. Then when you need it, it quickly folds out into a lounger, a chassis, or a flat sleep surface. And comfort is nice for the price because of the thick memory foam, and the zippered corduroy cover is removable, so you can just throw it into the washer if it ever gets dirty. People also call out that it's easy to move, which is why it shows up in playrooms and multi-purpose rooms. So if your space is small and you love a clean, minimalist look, then go with the Ebern Designs Convertible Folding Sofa Bed. Up next is the Max Yo-Yo Folding Sofa Bed, which I ranked as the best boneless for one person. And this is a 2-in-1 chair that folds easily into a single bed, and the corduroy upholstery gives it a cozy, inviting look. Plus the foam filling is shredded, which molds to your body for a comfy experience, and thanks to the buckle system, the headrest stays securely in place so you don't have to worry about it shifting. So if you're after a multi-purpose sofa for one that doesn't compromise on comfort, then the Max Yo-Yo Folding Sofa Bed is your go-to choice. Next is the George Oliver Kikumi Sofa Chair, which I ranked as the most inconspicuous. This just looks like a high-end sofa, but it's hiding something on the inside. It's made out of cotton linen blend, so it feels light, breathable, and natural, and not slick or plasticky. And it has a slightly textured, cozy look that will make your space feel calmer. And besides that, the tufting helps it keep a clean shape. Plus, the seat uses a supportive high-rebound sponge, so it feels firmer rather than sinking in. You can also recline to help you sit at the right angle. So if you want a sofa chair that blends in, then the George Oliver Kikumi Sofa Chair is a great pick. Finally, we have the Latitude Run Cartel, which I ranked as the best modern design. And this one's for anyone looking to upgrade their space with a modern, eye-catching design, and it uses a 3-in-1 setup. You could use it like a compact sofa, stretch it into a lounge, or open it up into a twin sleeper. And the casters help it roll so you can reposition it without dragging it across the floor. The cushioning is made from a high-density foam with a breathable fabric feel. And besides that, the carbon steel frame supports up to 1,700 pounds, so you know it's solid. And there's also space under the seat, plus pockets on the side, which is great if you want everything in one place. So if you're after a sofa bed that's elegant, then look no further than the Latitude Run Carthel. And that's all for today. I hope this list helped you choose the perfect sofa bed. And if you find something you like, don't forget the description to find the links to all the sofa beds mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.